Hello viewers, this is Dr. Shoma back with a homeopathic medicine which is especially for this autumn season. You might have heard people saying that seasonal fever, seasonal cough and cold, seasonal diarrhea, I'm feeling not good because today is rainy, I'm feeling headache, a body ache due to this rainy season, and today I'm not feeling good because today is a full moon, I'm feeling very upset. Do you think these are superstitious or stupid? No, actually, these are not superstitious because our body is made up of natural elements. Even in Ayurveda, too, it has been described that our body is made up of Jal, Akash, Vayu, Agni, and Prithvi. These five elements. So definitely there will be some effects on our body during the any changes in the weather around us. In homeopathy too, apart from constitutional medicine, there are several particular medicine for this particular weather or any other particular conditions. Do you still remember your childhood days when you get home with all sweaty from your playground or school, and your parents or grandparents used to tell you to sit under the fan for a while and then only to go for a bath? uh, because they knows while they are experience that if your body suddenly get exposed to cold, or if you suddenly take a cold shower after you spending a long time in sunlight or in hot weather, your body may get suddenly exposed to cold, and there may several problem arises. Again, same condition may arise if you are roaming in the market at the daytime in hot sunlight, and suddenly you get in your AC car, and AC of your car was in full extent, and chilled cold air of your AC chilled you up to your bones. And did you ever notice what happens when you come back to your home? Your head might start to ache, or you may suddenly start to sneezing, even aching in the bone, etc. So what happens when we enter into a cold zone from a hot zone? It will bring out sweat and then suddenly get chilled, and our perspiration or sweat get suddenly suppressed, and it especially affects our mucous membrane and lead to a condition where your mucous membrane will get a tendency to discharge. Today my topic is the medicine related with conditions where the day is hot and night is cold. Means this is the conditions where summer is going to end, and the winter is going to start. This intermingling hot air and the cold draft will bring out sweat and then suppress it. Because of this, due to this suppressed sweat, several catarrhal condition, means the discharges from the intestine, stomach, eyes, nose, ear, skins might occur. So for any acute or the acute chronic conditions, if you are suffering from, then it can be easily overcome by our one medicine, which is known as the Dalkamara, or or bitter sweet. It is a medicine which can overcome all these problems arises during this autumn season. Dalkamara can overcome all these problems arises due to changes in the weather, from warm to cold, from dry to moist, and from sudden cooling in the body while perspiring. It is a medicine useful in diarrhea of infant, yellow green stool, frequent stool, blood in the stool, and etc. conditions. Dalkamara has been found a useful remedy in skin eruptions also, like the vesicles, crust, herpes, multiple boils, and several other eruptive conditions during these weather changes. And again, it is also useful in gland swelling in the gland or hardness of the gland due to these cold seasons. And again, Dalkamara will cure the problems if which occurs every years during this weather changes. This type of weather actually started from the August 20th, and it will continue till the day and night become equally cold. This type of weather, in this type of weather, you can prescribe Dalkamara. So in rheumatic conditions also, stiffness in the back and any other rheumatic condition which started due to this changes in the weather, this medicine is very wonderful in this type of cases also. So viewers, to overcome all these health problem, when summer is going to end and winter is going to start, this type of intermingling situation means conditions of the weather, we can prescribe Dalkamara, where Dalkamara is very useful in any conditions, whether it is fever or cold, diarrhea, any conditions. But you must take it under the guidance of any qualified physicians, because the potency and dose will depends on your health condition. Though this medicine is very safe for even kidney, diabetic, heart, and any other patient can also take this medicine because it's quite safe. But you still take this medicine under the guidance of any homeopathic physicians. And thank you for watching my today's video.